Hi everyone. Welcome on Tuesday, December the 22nd, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. By the way, there is in this newspaper also an additional with extra Sudokus, total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve, but first I will do this one, and this Sudoku Medium will be number 204 for 6, I believe. Yes, it's 4-6 already, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 5 times a 3. 15. Yeah, 5 times a 3 is 15. 16 plus 4 is 20. 23 plus 3 is equal to 26. Printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can use. Alright. Let me see. 639. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this big square, so no 6 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. We have here in the first column also a 6 and a 9, so no 6 and a 9 in that box. So the 6 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 9. Alright, so let me see. We have in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3, 8. Alright. 2. We have a 1 in the first column, a 1 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 1 should be here. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in that column. So the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. An 8 in this row, an 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for an 8 should be there. We have in this row we have here 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square, so no 2 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3, 6, 3, 1, 6. We have 3 missing numbers in this row. The 3 is missing, the 1 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 here. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. The other pair in this big square should be for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. The 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1, 2, 9. All right. Let me see. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see there 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle columns, and the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. Alright. Let me think. 2 boxes left here in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8 are missing. We have there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers 2 and 7. We have there 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and then 8 is missing. Alright. 8, 5, 8, and 9. 5, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in the third column. The missing numbers in the third column are the 9 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here an 8 and a 9, so no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, alright. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2, 3, 5. We have a 3 here in this big square, so no 3 here. So the 3 goes there. And one box left in the second row for the number 5. One box left in this big square for the number 8. One box left in the third row for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only place for an 8 should be there. One box left in this third column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit and number 1. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 5 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. And then how about the number? And the number. 8. No. How about the 9? I'm thinking about the 9. 3 9s. 3 9 4. 3 9 4. No. Here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. 5 6 8. 5 6 8. No. How about, yeah, the 3 in this column, the 3 in the last column, so the column number between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So on the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle rows and the row below. Only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6 we see there and 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle rows and the row below. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left. The last 2 digits in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.